and I'm lining up the putt, and this guy in the background, like right behind me, dude, in the bleachers, he's like coughing, and he's like going straight putt like that, like yeah. And I'm looking at it, I couldn't really find much in it. I thought if anything it might want to go left, but I'm like, that must mean everyone's missing it to the right. Like they're overreading this. It's like, this guy's a real jerk if he's lying to me in this moment. So I went with the straight one, man, and it dove in the left edge. What a feeling! I mean, you talk about a high. Like,
Was it straight or right edge?
no, it was straight, but just the feeling that went through my body when I made that was like, I'll never get that feeling again, man.